How to fix export errors in Audiate. First of all, check your file format settings. Make sure you are exporting to a supported format like MP3 or WAV. Sometimes choosing an unsupported format causes the export to fail. Next, verify your export location. If the folder you selected is full, read-only, or has permission restrictions, Audiate won't be able to save your file. Change the folder or create a new one with full access. Then, look at your project length and content. Very long or complex projects might cause errors. Try splitting your project into smaller parts and export them separately to see if that resolves the issue. Also make sure your software is up to date. An outdated version of Audiate can have bugs that affect exporting. Check for updates in the settings or on the official website. If you still face errors, restart Audiate and your computer. This simple step can clear temporary glitches that cause export problems. Finally, clear the cache and temporary files used by Audiate. To do this, you can manually delete cache file by going to the roaming folder on your computer. Removing these files forces Audiate to rebuild fresh data, which can fix export issues. And that's it. Now you know how to fix export errors in Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.